Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, order the siblings, Ruth, Jack, Rebecca, June, Ron, and James. Well, our problem tells us that the oldest and the youngest are girls. The oldest boy is Ron, the youngest boy is James. Jack is 14, June is not 5, and Ruth is 10. Okay, well, to help myself out, I'm actually gonna number these ages from least to greatest, but I'm gonna write them vertically. So that gives me 5, 7, 10, 14, 15, and 17. Now, when I know who belongs to which age, I'm just gonna write their name right next to it, and it'll help keep this a little more organized for me. Well, the most obvious points are when they tell us the exact age of somebody. So clue 3 says Jack is 14, okay? So I'm gonna write Jack's name right here next to 14. And then clue 5 says Ruth is 10. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write that in, okay? I'm also gonna cross their names off the list. The next thing I'm gonna do is start at the beginning of my clues, and I'm gonna work my way down again. So number 1 says the oldest and youngest are girls. So I know pertaining to the 5 and the 17-year-olds, they must be Rebecca or June, but we don't know which one, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is read the rest of my clues and see if I can figure out if Rebecca is the oldest or if June is the oldest, okay? So the second clue says the oldest boy is Ron and the youngest boy is James. So that's really good. So even though I was trying to figure out if Rebecca comes as the oldest or the youngest, I actually have a lot of help with that because I know that Ron and James have to be ages 7 and 15 because they're the only other ages left besides the very oldest and the youngest, and the first clue told us that the oldest and youngest are girls. So I'm gonna look at that 7 and I can see that that's the youngest boy age possible, and so that's got to be the James. And then I'm gonna look at the 15 and I know that's got to be the oldest boy, so that's Ron. So we're moving right along here. We've got Ron and James used up. I only need to figure out Rebecca and June. And my third clue told me Jack is 14. I already wrote that down. My fourth clue told me June is not 5. So if June is not 5, then she must be 17. And last but not least, we must have Rebecca as the youngest because her name is the one that's left. Guys, it would really help me out if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see the rest of my math problems and puzzles. And as always, here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com, click on math videos, and you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.